Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost, and for today's recording, we are working on a hit called Document Question Interesting Pairwise. This is not an easy hit to work with, so what we have to do is uh, to check if the query number one and the query number two are equally good, equally bad, or if the question one is better or the question two is better. Let's pull up the instructions. We have one below. So this hit provides a document, namely a web page, and two questions answer pairs. Our goal is to provide interesting questions to help users understand the documents better. So we want the judges to compare the interestingness of the two questions. There are three levels of interesting. The top level, very interesting, contributes to a better understanding of the whole document, sparks users' curiosity, surprises user. The second one will be fair. The third one is the last level, not interesting. Let's scroll down a bit. Equally bad if the both questions are equally not interesting. If the both questions are equally interesting, it'll be equally good. Question one, if the question one is more interesting than question number two. Question number two better if the question two is more interesting than question number one. Skip this case if the link is broken or there is any other issues. So the website is sometimes you want a quick bit of feedback from your audience. How to create a free poll, how to create a poll in three simple steps, how to make a survey poll. So this, for me, they are equally good. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. So moving on to the next hit, liver disease. What is the matter with my liver? What could cause liver problems? I think it is liver problems that occur. What is the matter? Now, these are again really confusing. Mm, hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. So, liver disease, liver problems that we're trying to digest everything here. So, please bear with me. Trying to understand it. Um, Overview. What is the matter with my liver? What could cause liver problems? They are, I think, equally better. Question two is better. Okay, that's what I thought earlier. Let's move on to the next one. How to add videos to your LinkedIn profile. How to add videos. So I think question number one is better. Next one is try this total body 10-minute workout. Are 10-minute workouts effective? How does exercise build brain power? Question number one is better. Moving on to the next one. Florida learners permit requirements. How to get your learners permit in Florida 2021 requirements. What are the required documents for learners permit? Um, Security. Now this is quite broad. It does not have the location. So I think if the question more equally good or both questions are equally interesting. Show social security. I would say question number one is better. Let's see. Yep. Moving on to the next one. The page does not load here. Let's refresh it. I hope it works. All right, learn how to cast to your TV, how to cast media in Chromecast, how to do mirroring on Google Home. Um, Mirror your Android Open Chromecast from your phone. I think question number one is better. Oh, both are equally good. So we got two mistakes already. I'm not sure if we are going to pass this. How to become a Scout Ranger. Let's refresh this site again because it's taking a while to load. How to unlock Android phones locked by Google's Find My Device. How to bypass mobile lock using Google Find My Phone. How do I unlock my data from my phone? Question number one will be better. Okay, we passed the qualification. Good thing we did. So that is again a hit called document questions interesting pairwise. I'll go ahead and try to work on this one. I passed the qualification. Again, my name is Ghost. I am the admin for ClickWorker Philippines. You can always find us in Facebook. We have a Facebook group for you to join. You have to subscribe to our tutorial channel, after which you have to answer the relevant membership questions for us to welcome you there. And again, we are reaching a milestone. Sooner or later, again, we'll be reaching 1,000 subscribers, and I really thank everyone, for subscribing and watching the videos. I will try to do my best moving forward, and to upload more content that will be helpful to the community. Have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.